Mobile app development. Mobile apps are necessary for mobile users, providing valuable services. Today's competitive world of mobile app development requires better than average skill, time commitment, and team effort. Mobile apps are software applications used in smartphones and tablets to perform specific tasks. The first app was used by Cyan Epic in the 90s. It included basic applications such as calculator, calendar, database, and spreadsheet. In 1993, Apple created the Newton message pad with web access, email, calendar, and address book. In 1997, the Nokia 6110 included the mobile game Snake. Today, there are several different app platforms. The two most popular are Apple's App Store and Google's Google Play. The App Store opened in 2008 with the release of the iPhone 3G. There were 500 apps available. In March 2008, Apple allowed developers to create apps for the iPhone. Android Market was introduced in October 2008. It only had about 50 apps. There are approximately 1.5 million apps in the App Store and 1.8 million apps in Google Play. There have been more than 100 billion downloads. For distributing apps in their stores, Google charges a one-time registration fee of $25, and Apple requires a $99 per year membership fee. Both Google and Apple keep 30% of developers' revenue. Popular games such as Angry Birds and Candy Crush Saga cost around $140,000 to develop, with a revenue of over $2.5 billion a year. Well-developed apps are given recognition in Google Play by awarding developer badges such as Top Developer and Editor's Choice. Apps are used by everyone. And have various functionalities. There's an app for just about everything. Well, almost. It takes a team of professionals about 18 months to create an app. The cost of app development can range from $2,000 to $200,000 or more, depending on its complexity. Developers also create apps for wearable technology. Android Wear has more than 4,000 apps available, and Apple Watch has over 8,500 apps. Because those apps have different purposes than phone apps, they are developed differently. For people without skills and finances, app development software such as App Factory and App Maker can be used. However, different skills are needed to develop a fully functional, appealing, and successful app. Programmers with better than average skills are needed. To create apps for Android, programmers use Java and Eclipse, and for the iOS, they use Objective-C, Swift, and Xcode. HTML can be used for both platforms. Designers plan out how the app will function. They use designing software such as Sketch and InVision. Programmers and designers get paid between $69,000 to $110,000 a year. App developers need to advertise their product. In order for successful apps to make millions, they need good sales promotion. Really good sales promotion. The world of app development is very competitive. Some apps will make it, and some won't. A good app needs to be reliable, more reliable than the competition. App developers must thoroughly test their apps before releasing them to the public. They also need to promptly fix problems identified by their customers. Developers use the feedback given by their app users to further tweak their apps into a more successful one. App users freely offer opinions by ways of stars and comments. Apps that freeze, crash, take too much space, or just not user-friendly usually get negative feedback and are uninstalled. Everyone loves free apps. However, no one likes flashy and intrusive ads displayed in free apps. Some of those free apps are actually only free to download, as there may be in-app purchases. Paid apps cost $1.13 on average. With so many available apps, users are very impatient with apps that do not offer what they claim. Because of the competitiveness in the app world, developers need to make sure that they are providing quality apps that are regularly updated. A successful app needs to be creative. With over 1 million apps, it is difficult for good apps to be discovered. However, apps that are unique and fulfill a need stand out in the crowd. Mobile apps with original ideas become successful. App developers with customer service that is unreachable, does not respond to customers' concerns, usually ends up with their app being uninstalled. Good customer service offers how-to instructions if needed, in-app customer support, live chat, help round the clock, and response to negative feedback. New apps are developed every day. Apps will continuously evolve with our changing needs. App developers will need to update their skills in order to keep up with our changing needs. We can rely on developers to make our lives a little simpler.